This knowledge base resource summarises how to add sites and participants and assign roles for your implementation project. Once you've selected your audit criteria, you now need to select the sites where your implementation project will be conducted. To add the site or sites that will be data collection sites for your implementation project, click on the drop-down arrow and you'll be able to see the existing sites. So either select from the existing sites from the list or create a new site. If you selected Create a New Site, enter the required details in the pop-up window and then click Add Site. To add more sites, click plus Add Site and repeat the above process as many times as required. Once you have added all of the required sites, click Next. You are now able to invite participants who will be part of your implementation project team. If you are the only person entering the data for your project, click Next. If you have members of your project team helping with data collection, click on Add Participants. In the pop-up window that opens, enter their email, and then select the role from the list. Please refer to the permissions table for additional information. When you're inviting a project coordinator, they will need full licensed access to PACES with their own username and password. Data collectors, however, do not require a subscription to access, and when invited to a project for data entry only, they will be emailed a tokenized URL and the project key to allow data entry. Select a site from the list or leave it set to the default selection for all sites. Click Add Participant. Once you have added all of the required participants for your project, you have the opportunity to do the following by hovering over and selecting the following icons. You are able to edit using this pencil icon. You can edit the participant's email, their role, and all the sites where they're involved, or you're able to delete the participant by clicking on this bin icon. Once you have selected all your participants, click on Next.